In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege game chat on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase simple steps that you can follow at any time if you notice that you are having trouble using the voice chat while in-game on your PlayStation 4. The first thing that I want to make extremely clear is that I am recording this video on the PC version of the game, but don't worry, the method that I'm going to discuss in this video you will be able to follow on your PlayStation 4. I'm only recording on my PC for convenience. So when you open Rainbow Six, what I recommend is that before you join a match, click on the settings icon, go over to the options, and switch over to the audio tab. Now in the audio tab, this is where you are going to find the most important settings related to audio. Of course, you have to make sure that voice chat is enabled. So if you go over to the voice chat input mode and you notice that it is set to disable, then game chat is going to be completely disabled. I'm going to assume that most people have it set to open or push to talk. Now, as long as you have either of these options, it should be working. If you notice that it is still not working, then go ahead, make sure that the volume is up, and the next thing to check is the sensitivity. If the sensitivity is set to some very high value, such as 100, what this is going to do is make it so no noise is transmitted to your microphone. As you can see on the description, this sets the volume your microphone opens at to begin recording audio, which means that if it is set to 100, it is going to filter any noise, including your voice. What I recommend is that you set it to 0, and if you notice that way too many background noises are being picked up, you can increase it slightly. But as long as you set it to somewhere between 30 or 20, you should be good to go and your voice should be transmitted clearly. Make sure that this is not set to a high value. The next thing to check is to go in game with these settings adjusted and see if it works. Make sure you apply them. If it still doesn't work, the next thing that I would recommend is that inside of a game, after you join the lobby, switch the mode that you are using. So if you are on push to talk, go over to open, apply the changes, and then try speaking. If it works, you can go ahead and go back to push to talk. Someone switching back between open to push to talk or vice versa can help you refresh your microphone and double check to see if it is working. As long as you have the volume high and the sensitivity low and you change the input mode while inside of a game, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Rainbow Six Siege game chat on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.